Hello everybody and welcome in the last video of 2022. And in today's video we are not going to have a look at the Bitcoin charts. No, we're just going to have a nice talk next to the fireplace. I just want to have a talk about 2022, what kind of crazy year 2002 actually was, but also what I'm basically expecting for 2023, 2024, where I will be putting my focus on. It's very important. So yeah, guys, let's start with 2022. 2022 has been a sick year, a crazy year. We topped out with Bitcoin earlier this year, almost at the beginning or end of 2021. And 2022 has just been a completely bloodbath. We have seen the Bitcoin price dumping up to approximately 80%. We have seen the regular financial markets coming down. We have seen the housing markets coming down as well. It has just been a quite rough year for everyone in crypto. But maybe a lot of you have made the mistake, similar as to me, that you didn't cash enough out at the top of the previous bull market. I think a lot of people make this mistake, and this is a general mistake with investing, is that it's always very difficult to take profits because of the emotional greed, what is inside of us, but it's also very difficult to enter a certain asset when there is a lot of fear. And I think right now we are in that stage. I think right now we are almost at the extreme fearful sentiment, which will indicate a bottom in the Bitcoin price. We might already have seen it, or we might see the Bitcoin price grinding still a little bit lower before we can see a reversal and go back up. But then this is also what I'm going to think about 2023, guys. I am personally quite bullish on 2023. We have been 1 year where the price just been declining. We haven't seen that much rallies in between as well. Like I said, it just has been a big bloodbath. But I think there is still a quite higher likelihood that we can see some explosive 2023 moves where Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto markets, but mainly Bitcoin, will see a massive rally. And why is that? I have a couple of theories that I'm studying right now, quite unique in compared to regular technical analysis, right? You can do regular TA, you can have a look at 4-year cycles and so on, and they all point to 2023 and 4 being kind of a slow grind. Maybe at the end of 2024, 2025, we can see Bitcoin catching up that momentum again. And I personally don't think that is the case. I think the next year, 2023, is going to be very important because it might provide us with the last opportunity to cash out on crypto before we enter a multi-year long bear market. I don't think it's happening right now. I have two main cycles that I'm right now tracking. First of all is the 60-year cycle of Bitcoin, where I've been talking about and where I will be focused on in the coming year. And I will really make sure that everyone gets on time a notification on when I think, based on time, it is the best time to take profits. And we are not going to look at the target of the price, but we are going to have a look at the time. 2023 is really going to be the year where I want to work on whaleportal. Whaleportal is an online trading dashboard, and I already can see that right now with the first version that we have, we are helping already a huge amount of traders with being profitable, trading Bitcoin and Ethereum. But I really would like to bring this project to the next level. I really want to help a lot of traders to get a better understanding of the markets and to be able to trade even more profitable and more confident, with showing the right data and also giving them tools to learn how to analyze these data types, right? Like the funding rates, the premium index, open interest. And so we are going to work on that definitely in 2023. In my opinion, 2023 will be the year for whaleportal. If you are already using it, thumbs up to you, kudos. I think the ones that are going to be able to look at this data and use this data in the correct way, they can definitely at least have a very higher chance of succeeding as a profitable trader than if you would only do regular TAs. We all try to outsmart the other person, but I think you can truly outsmart the other person if you use tools that the other person does not know of and the other person doesn't use. And I think one of these tools is derivative exchange data. You see some people, they look at the funding rates and so on, but there are really a small amount of people who truly understand these mechanics, who really looks at the open interest. Is it going up? What is the price doing? What do we see on the premium index? What is the funding rates doing? How did the price behave with the funding rates in the past couple of weeks? All of this stuff. If you can master this, you will be the king of short-term trading, because you can be way more confident of a certain direction with Bitcoin. And this is also my goal, because my goal is, of course, to continue to do analysis on YouTube, especially when it comes to the cycles of the 16-year cycle and the solar cycle. That is one of my main focuses of this year. I will really be determined to dive into the cycles, try to understand it as best as I can, and try to explain it as best as I can to you, so that you can make the right decisions in the market at the right time. But I also want to be the one that creates tools for traders so they can climb the ladder by themselves. And if you are still here after 1 year of price declines, you guys truly gonna make it. I've been through this already multiple times. So I know where you're coming from. I know that this is a difficult time, but you gotta understand, guys, this is very important, that the seed of your success, the seed of your growth, that is in these difficult times. When everything goes correctly, when everything goes smooth, when everything goes good, those are not times that you learn. In the times of the good are the times where you have actually success. You will have the seed of failure. But in the times of failure is not the right word, I gotta say. It's just like rough times right now. Most likely you have a hard time as well. I can see it around me. A lot of friends of mine, everybody is struggling. A lot of people are struggling physically, they're struggling mentally, they're struggling financially. You're not alone in that. Everybody is going through a hard period right now, but there are only a few people, or a few percentage of people, who will come out of this time or period like a warrior, like a soldier, like a successful person. A lot of people, they will they will not use this opportunity. They will not use this opportunity of a rough time to really develop yourself, really climb out of that cave, and really grow and shine over the next couple of years. But you really got to see that the difficult times carries the seed for success, and that right now is the time that you got to take advantage of that. If you have something you don't like about yourself, work on it. If there's something you think you can improve about yourself, work on it. Do it now. Start now. If you're thinking about building a crypto project, do it now. Develop yourself, start working on it. Now is the time to build. Now is the time to grow. If you don't feel good, try to see where that feeling is coming from. Try to overcome that feeling by changing your actions, changing your thinking. That is very important. And I think 2023, if you use these rough times as a seed for your success, as gasoline to grow, 2023, guys, is going to be an awesome year for you and for all of us. And I really hope every single one of you can find the strength within themselves to overcome themselves, to grow. So yeah, that is just what I want to give to you with this last video. Like I said, 2022 has been a hard year. Kudos, you guys still here. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the support that you guys have been giving me. I will do my very best to give you the very best version of myself too, to give you the best information and hand you the best tools that I can build in the coming years. and that will help you in your journey as a trader and in your journey to become financially free. That is going to be my goal. Also, I want to say that 2023, I definitely think will be bullish for Bitcoin, and it will be very unexpected too. Of course, I can be wrong with that. If anything changes in that analysis, I will be sure, I make sure to update you guys right here on the channel. And yeah, I want to wish every single one of you a awesome New Year's Eve tonight. Have fun. Make sure you don't do crazy stuff which you regret later, but also make sure you have fun and spend quality time with your family. Guys, I want to thank you all for a wonderful year 2022. Let's make 2023 a even better year, a year that we won't forget, a year that we will remember as the year that we were rebuilding ourselves, and we finally climb out of the cave, and we came out even stronger, because the hard winds are creating the best sailors. And if we right now do our best to sail the right direction in the ocean, all these hard winds that we faced in the past year will only make us stronger. They will not make us weaker, they will make us stronger. 2023 is the year that we are going to prove that. Okay guys, I love you all. Thank you all for watching. Wish you all a great New Year's Eve, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.